Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to get your free stock using Robinhood. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you signed up using my link down below, and if you haven't signed up for Robinhood just yet, you can use my link down below in order to sign up, and you'll get a free $5 to $200 worth of stock. So once you sign up for Robinhood, you want to go ahead and open it up. Then you want to click on the profile icon in the bottom right hand corner. Then you want to click on the hamburger icon in the upper left hand corner. Then you want to click on rewards, and then you want to click on past. So as you can see here, I have a unclaimed reward for a referral. Click on claim. And so once you do that, Robinhood is going to give you $5 worth of a stock. So with that, click on claim stock. And then from here, we can either claim Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, Alphabet, Amazon, Berkshire, all these different stock companies. So for my example, I'm going to go ahead and claim, let's go ahead and claim Coca-Cola actually. So claim Coca-Cola, and then click swipe to submit, and there you have it. You've now gotten $5 worth of Coca-Cola. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and get your free stock on Robinhood. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next